Hey guys, welcome back to Battle Cats. And yeah, I got a normal cat ticket for my daily login, I guess. And hopefully I get a good cat for that happens. Alright, we got a charge upgrade, that's pretty good. Alright. Storage. 60 solo. Yes. Here we go. Okay, so now forget how many I had. Yeah, alright, so now I have 3 or 2 plus 1. Alright, so yep, look at this. Start. Alright, let's do Australia then. Also, like, I just turned on my computer to record, so it's kinda laggy, that's why. No, it's definitely kinda laggy. Look at this shit, this is so fucking bad, dude. This is the worst ever. Bro, I don't even feel like recording. This is so laggy. Alright. I'm just gonna put a natural cat to distract them. And then I'm just gonna keep upgrading. Look at that module guy, I can definitely destroy everyone here. I'm not gonna upgrade Ninja Cat and whatever the fuck your name was until I'm done upgrading these guys to max. No 5 should be enough. Actually, no, because there might be a boss. So let me just keep going. Just gonna stop at 6. Because I don't think this is gonna take too much effort. Let's clear them all. Alright, wonder which boss is in here. Maybe it's nothing, maybe it's just a free stage. Probably not, let's be honest here. Well, I'm not accepting. Yeah, there's no boss in here. Easy. Alright. Singapore. Oh, there's definitely a boss here. Why the hell would you give me this much space? I don't like a lot of space because for 2 reasons. One, it takes a while to get there. So like, if boss comes out, it's gonna take a while to get reinforcements. But the reason it is good is because the boss will take a long ass time to get to your base. But you know, the bread pig, I forgot its name. That one, its battlegrounds is a short thing. So you know, I'm pretty sure level 8 is the max. I've never seen anyone go past level 8, but maybe there is, and I just don't know. I don't know. I'm just gonna keep up with them though. I wonder what boss this is. Because there's definitely a boss here. I mean, look, why do they give me this much space if there's no boss? Like, come on, man. It's pretty obvious there's a boss here. Alright, almost there. There we go. gonna wait a bit. Now let's start sending out some balls. I don't actually use this guy, he's really bad. I'll send them out. It's way easier to play the game on mobile, but like recording on mobile is a pain in the ass. So like I'm good, dude. I prefer it being hard to play than fucking recording on my phone. Like hell no. Yeah, this boss does not stand a chance. I think it's the hippo, maybe. What? Why isn't there a boss? Are you kidding me? You give me this much range, you can only give me a boss? What kind of bullshit is this, dude? There's no way. Damn, bro. You can't. Pretty sure it's ugly cat or something. Oh, it's sumo cat. Yeah, hell no. Hell nah, bro. Nah, hell nah. Oh shit, that guy sucks. Anyway, let's move. I don't think there's any boss. Yeah, no. There's definitely no boss. Okay, thank you for completely just coming to my face and saying, "Fuck you." There is a boss. All right. Then. It's only this guy, so it's gonna be easy. I guess I'll use the cat cannon. Guy's not. Does he? I don't know if he has. I don't know if he has knockdown damage. He definitely has area damage. Like, total. I don't know if the hippo had area damage or he was just hitting one cat at a time. I mean, it gets to a point where they aren't even cats, just monsters or anime girls. But with girls and monsters, they released anime girls as unlockable cats. No, cats. Yeah, sure. Here we go. Let's upgrade some stuff. Your max. Ghost cat, cat, I'm good. Upgrade some good stuff like you. Wallet's pretty good. Oh, hell yeah, that's really good. Alright. Wait, hold up. Do I have a reward yet? Which, okay, so user rank 100. Got it. Right, yeah. So, start sending. Also, if you haven't heard, I'm not going to be recording good games like GTA 5, I'm not gonna be recording good games because it's just too hard. I've tried recording Minecraft too laggy, GTA 5 too laggy, Ark too laggy. Everything's just too laggy. So once I get a new better PC, then I'll record good 3D games. Alright, so the hippo wheel. That's something, even though he'll get destroyed by my new units. I mean, look at this. Haha, loser, I'm destroying you right now. Yes, he stands no chance at all, bro. It's easy peasy. There we go. 4,000 XP, not bad. Oh, finish the mission. Clear India. Alright. What else we got? Activate the energy drink and Battle Catch Rising. Bro, what energy drink? I don't even have one, I'm pretty sure. Anyway. The Paul. Right. Is that Mount Everest? I think so. I've never really seen Nepal being there, so I'm guessing that's Mount Everest or some shit. I don't know. Also, if you guys know like any source where I can get like Battle Cat PNGs, like like let's say like I wanted a PNG of Macho Cat, like if you guys know any website or anything that I can get those PNGs, that would be really useful to make thumbnails, because I was going to make thumbnail for first episode about like how I got Gardener Cat, and I was really mad. And I was gonna put Gardener Cat instead of normal cat, but I couldn't find the Gardener Cat PNG. So if you guys know like a way that I can get PNGs or Battle Cats, so that'll be really useful. But I'll try to find them myself if no one can help me. There we go, easy. Inferior Devotion, okay. There's a new cat. Wonder what it is. Samurai Cat. I'm good. Let's upgrade. Actually, I'm upgrading Ninja Cat. Actually, no, I'm not having. Wait, oh yeah, special. I'm not having any trouble right now in like fighting. So like once I'm having trouble battling and completing stages, then I'll upgrade cats. But for right now, it's pretty easy. So I'm just upgrading things that could be helpful later on. Alright. Well, that are helpful later on, because base upgrades are the most important thing in the entire game. Besides your cat, of course. Alright, this is a very tough stage. If you don't know how to play this game, if you've never played before, this is a very tough stage if you didn't know. If you have played the game before, then you know the pain in the ass that the stage is for certain people. When I first played, this was the biggest fucking pain in the ass in the entire world. Like, this is such a hard stage to beat if you don't know what you're doing. Basically, if you've never played Battle Cats before, basically, 2 penguins will come out of this. Yes, 2 penguins in Dubai. So, well, I don't know if they're penguins or some birds. They are super OP, bro. Like, they're super hard to kill unless you have good cats. I'm pretty good cats, but it might be a challenge. I don't know. There they are. Yeah, those look like penguins. I don't know if they are though. Yeah, they're really hard to hurt. Let me just fire the crazy cat cannon. Which is what I was trying to say when I was trying to kill the hippo with the cat cannon. But I just one-shotted it, so I didn't even get to finish it. Yeah, if we can just destroy their base first. Like, just completely avoid these guys and destroy their base for good. Which you might do if we keep holding back. I mean, not holding back, if we keep holding them there. Come on, just a bit more. Almost got him. No! They pushed up back. Oh wait, never mind, come on, come on. Almost there. Almost. Easy right there, boys. Alright, thanks for the non-treasure you gave me, bro. That's awesome. Anyway, Saudi Arabia now. Oil. Actually, that's not oil, the fuck. Oh, hippo right off the bat. Thanks. Thanks, guys. That's really helpful, you know? And, alright. Let's do this. Fire. There we go. I don't think there's any boss here, but if there is, it might be a red hippo. I don't know though. It's like I haven't played Battle Cats in the longest time, so you know, I don't remember what the bosses of each stage is, except for the really annoying ones like Dubai. I don't know this one though. So far, so good. Let's see who's gonna come out. Yes, another hippo? Are you sure about that? Okay then. Not really gonna be a tough fight then. Alright. Easy XP then. No more oil. Nice. Yeah. Oh, the Incubadia. Nice, nice. Where was that again? Oh, it's the menu. Yes, these. Yeah, the cat guide and the enemy guide. Doge, loving Shiva and Battle Cat Tribal trying to enter college this year. Very thoughtful and sends birthday gifts to Cat every year. That's cool. Snake uses watercolors for body paint, so naturally weak against water. This information has nothing to do with the game content whatsoever. Okay then. Those guys. Bunch of wusses who like to gang up. Found each other on the internet. Surprisingly, all of them are quite rich. Hippo. This dangerous hippo has confidence in its stamina and power. He has a multi-attack skill. We don't know if it is a he or a she. Pig. Red pig. Loves going to tanning salon. That's why her skin is red. Born in an organic free range farm. Did you know that pigs like to clean? Damn, didn't know. Jackie Peng loves watching kung fu movies and aiming to get into Hollywood. Uses self-taught kung fu. Alright, cool. Let's move on. Ganya. Ah, shit. Alright, hold up. Not gonna energy recover. Sure, we can upgrade. Honestly, I'm just gonna keep wasting money in efficiency because it's like the best one. Another good one is research. This one is really good too, because I can send out cats faster. Cat energy. This is very good. Like, very good. Special cards. Cat god, ninja cat, summer cat, samurai cat. Alright. And cat capsule. Wow. Starter special, one time only discount. You know what? Let's just end off the video with another rare cat capsule. Because why not? Yes. Something good, please, please, please. Gunslinger cat. Okay. Never actually used cat gunslinger. Don't know how good he is. Cat Gunslinger. Nameless legend of the western frontier today. He's not bringing bandits just to sometimes those back enemies. Not too much XP, I'm not gonna take it. I'm gonna use it though. Yeah. Okay. So he's a rare, of course. Yeah. What is he good against though? I mean, no idea. Let me just get some cat food, because why not? There he is. Alright. And, let's see. So he's good against black. Effective against black enemies. Slow indicates enemy types will have their speed reduced for a set amount of time. Single attack. Only one enemy within range will be hit by this unit's attack. I might use him, because why not, you know? I mean, what else can I do with cat? I have to use him, because why not? No. Alright, so rare cats, just gonna use him. You thinking. Just gonna use him. Oh my god, dude. Alright, there we go. Alright, well, thanks everyone for making it to the end again. This episode, I think, has been shorter. I mean, I just ran out of energy really quickly, and I'm not willing to spend cat food and more energy. I'm not gonna watch a fucking video. So yeah, I'm trying to make a video as soon as all my energy's back. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching. See you next time.